So let me just show you the basic functionalities that we use for our day-to-day lives in Git, like pushing your code from your local to the Git repository. So for that, let me first go to my file explorer and create a new folder. And let me give it as test demo, and let's open it with VS Code. So just on I trust and yes. This is a new folder that we have created. Let me have a quick file here in the folder named index.html. Write some boilerplate code. Congratulations on pushing out first stupid. Let me save it. So you can see in the folder you will have this index.html file created, and this is the file content. So now let's see how we can push this code into GitHub. You can open your GitHub Desktop, and there are few options that you can see, like for example, this is a tutorial repository and clone a repository from internet. This means that when you have any repositories already created in your GitHub account, and if you want to clone it from internet, you can use this option and create a new repository for your local drive. This option will create a new GitHub repository for your local code. And the last one is add the existing repository from your local drive. This option is used when you already have some code written in your local and you just want to move this code to the existing repository. So in our case, let's use the last option. You can give you a path for the test demo. So we are already in this demo. Let me select it. Showing an error saying that this directory does not appear to be Git repository. So if you want to create a new repository, yes, just click on that option. You can give the same name and description as you require, and you can check the path here. If you want to add a readme file, you can also check this checkbox, and there is two other options, like git ignore and license. The git ignore, in the sense it will add a git ignore file, and whatever directories or files that we add to this git ignore file will be excluded from pushing the code to the Git. So that is optional, and you have the license option based on your enterprise or your personal repository. So I'll just leave it none for now and create repository. Yeah, we are in our current repository, git test demo. So now you can see we have done the initial commit. If you go to history, you can see the files that we have changed. We have added the git attributes file, readme file, and the index.html file that we have written in our VS Code. So everything is reflecting here. So once you see the committed changes, and if you are good to publish, then click on this publish repository to GitHub, and you can give the name and description. And if you want to keep this code as private, you can check this box. If you want it public, just undo it one. So we are now using github.com. If you are using any enterprise account, you can sign in and push it to this enterprise account. So for now, let me publish repository. So now, yeah, we got it updated. Let's fetch it. Yeah, it's done. So let me log in with my GitHub account and just refresh it, so that, yeah, now you can see you have got the test demo that is just now updated. And if you go inside, you have the main branch with the code that we have already pushed. We have got the readme file, we got the git attributes, and also index.html file. This is a short and basic demo for beginners who are just starting out and want to use Git and other version control systems, so they can write their code in the local and have the code published to GitHub. This is a quick and simple demo. Hope you like this video. If you found this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video with your friends and family. If you don't want to miss any of my further videos, just hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. That's it from me today, guys. See you next time. Cheers.